Hi viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this short video, we will see how we can uninstall completely ArcGIS server. In my case, it has been installed on Windows Server. First of all, we have to go to control panel. We have to select it and then we have to click on uninstall, and this uninstallation will take time depending on your hardware configurations. In my case, you can see the available memory, CPU consumption, and in my case, it took 1 hour to uninstall ArcGIS server from the control panel. And now you can see that it has been uninstalled after 1 hour. And here I have to mention that, as most of us know, that uninstallation of ArcGIS server will not impact your ArcGIS Pro, because ArcGIS Pro is depending on ArcGIS License Manager. And if we have open ArcGIS Pro, it will work fine without any issue. Now we have to go to this PC, C drive, program files, ArcGIS, and here you will see the folder around 86 MB size. So you have to delete it permanently. A pop-up message will appear. You have to click on continue, and after that you have to go to this PC and C drive, and here you will see ArcGIS server, this folder with the size around 1.45 GB. So similarly you have to delete it, and a pop-up message appears. You have to click continue. Now you have to go to this PC, local disk, C drive, users, and you have to choose the user, and then you have to choose documents, and then you have to come to this folder ArcGIS, and inside that you will see there is a folder ArcGIS server, so you have to delete it as well. And after that, first of all, you have to choose local disk C, as you can see on the left side, and then in the search bar you have to type Python27 together, and it will take some time, and then you will see that there will be two files or three files. It can depend on different systems, so you can choose any one of them, and you can go to open file location and then select one or two files, and you have to delete them. Now you have to save your edits and close ArcGIS Pro on all the machines which are using license from this machine having license manager installed, because in further steps we have to restart the server. That's why. So before restarting your server, it's the same message. Ask your team connected to this server, to this machine. Please save their ArcGIS Pro edits and close. And then you have to go to power and restart this machine. Thank you very much. Please mention your city name from where you are watching this video. Thank you very much.